Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Wow, you're gorgeous. Bronzemarley. So y'all, it is currently about 2:30 in the morning and I am up preparing to make sure that I have everything set in stone and packed and prepared for today. Actually, I'm going to a wedding, but I'm also the makeup artist for the wedding and I have to be there in about 6 hours. And then my work starts at about 7 and I still haven't gone to sleep and I still have to curl that wig and install that wig. So y'all pray for me. Great morning, you guys. It is me, no other than the Bronzemarley. And I'm the greatest addition of YouTube 2019, and here we are in 2022. And I've been the greatest addition and asset here on out. So when I join the compact, baby girl, I want you to be here. You want to be here. You high-key need to be here, love, just because we serve looks. Give me a few hours. We sometimes serve a little bit of tea, but overall, baby girl, we just be serving. Today is wedding day, Dr. Jennings and also Mr. Arrington. I'm so happy for them. I am the makeup artist, but I'm also going to be attending the wedding. I literally got no sleep last night. Like, when I tell you 0 seconds of sleep, I got 0 seconds of sleep last night because I was up preparing literally all day, but just being very thorough. I had to film. I had so much to do. It's okay. I'm not tripping. It's about 7:30. My Uber is probably outside right now. So I'm about to grab my bags, my belongings, and head out. Aside from me being extremely tired, I'm very excited for today. I'm always excited when I get to, like I said, work on set, work on scene, work on site, and work like large parties and events. Like, this is my lane. Will try, of course, to get me up. My Uber is here. I will, of course, try to get me some sleep while I'm in my Uber, but I still have to finish typing up some invoices, so that's some work on its own, child. But listen, I'm sad. Y'all will not believe that I finally made it. So I'm here currently about to get set up. My first client for today is at 9:15. I'm here early, but I'd rather be early than to be late, to be on time and risk, not being able to troubleshoot. Like I said, I didn't get any sleep last night, but I did manage to get me some sleep the entire Uber ride over here, which I'm not even upset about because he didn't help me get my luggage in or out of that car, and y'all, oh, whatever. But yes, I'm about to set up now, and yeah, hopefully I can get some more footage for you guys, but this is absolutely beautiful. Like, look at this. I have my own little setup, own little room, own little, like, it's just beautiful in here. So I am officially set up and ready to go. I'm actually very excited, y'all. This place is lit. I do want to show y'all the look for today though. So this look was actually inspired by someone that I follow on Instagram, Sierra Nicole. She went to ODU, but I was going through her pictures because I'm low-key obsessed, but I was going through her pictures and I saw an outfit that was very similar to this, literally the leather skirt, the red heels, and like the graphic tee. So I was just like, oh yeah, definitely doing that today. It's really cute. Would definitely look a lot more together if my hair and my face was together, but listen, the skin is sitting. Listen, the lace is melted. Y'all, it's so gorgeous out here. Like, I don't know if y'all can see, but this is like the view from my room. Like, this is lit. All right, you guys, so I am knocking them out. I just finished my 3rd makeover, I believe it was, getting ready for my 4th. Unfortunately, I haven't had enough time to film behind the scenes, but y'all, that's because I'm already behind. But I'm having so much fun. Like I said, I was tired earlier, but I knew that feeling was gonna go out of the window, child. I'm currently, like I said, waiting on muse number 4. Okay, so this is gonna be a quick little video. So, okay. So you get like video before and after, as well as a picture too.
Oh, let me get out of the way. I don't want to be in.
On the count of 3, you can look me in the eyes. 1, 2, 3. How do they feel? Good. Perfect.
But you know they come off, it's me though. Do some extra glue? Or
Well, I did a different method this time, but I'm gonna bring my lash glue in my purse.
Thank you.
Alright, you guys, so I have just finished the bride. I finished the bridal party, and now I'm about to finally do my makeup. Enjoy this quick little montage. There will be a full in-depth video on me getting ready for this wedding, you guys. So be sure to click the description box below so that you can check out that video. Now let me go ahead and get set up so that I can get ready.
I vow to empower and defend you through good and difficult times. These rings that you are about to exchange will be a visible sign of the bond that you all will share as husband and wife. You are stronger together. Continue to learn and understand each other, creating space for empathy. Always practice patience and extend grace. By the power vested in me by the Commonwealth of Virginia, Stephen and Nicole, I now declare you husband and wife. Stephen, for the very first time, you may now kiss your wife. Ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, will you please stand to your feet?
So you guys, the wedding ceremony just concluded. We are currently waiting for the reception. The ceremony was absolutely stunning. It was absolutely beautiful. I really enjoyed it. I got to see some former classmates as well as faculty and staff. Did I speak to them? Not all of them. But it was still a nice time being able to see them, engage with them, and just interact and be around them. The bride as well as the bride's party as well as the groom and groom party, all of them, they're currently outside getting photos while everyone else is currently waiting. Wow, this is so beautiful over here. While everyone is currently waiting to enter the reception, I am here vlogging, obviously. Odd being here by myself, but I ain't tripping over that. Wow, I feel so gorgeous. I want to get some selfies. So I ended up missing the intros for the reception, y'all. My bad. I feel like this is awkward.
Our dreams and magic are what covers me. Always stay in love this way.
Alright, you guys, so I just came in to change out of my dress because I kept stepping on it and it kept getting in the way. I want to go back down there and continue to party and enjoy myself. But this is the fit for the rest of the night, child. Alright guys, and that is a wrap. So you guys, it looks like I will be staying the night at the Pinner House tonight. I kind of want to do like a quick little mini tour for you guys really quick. Hopefully I don't get in trouble. Let's do it. I have absolutely no clue what's up those stairs, and I'm actually not curious to find out. Boom, 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 boom. Hey y'all. Good night to you as well. Likewise, you sleep tight. Alright you guys, I'm actually going to end tonight's vlog here. It has been absolutely wonderful. I tried to vlog as much as I could, but honestly, I was having so much fun. I will be ending my night at the Pinner House tonight, and I couldn't be happier. I thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. If you enjoyed it, if you enjoyed me, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, as well as the comment down below about what you guys thought about this video, what you'd like to see in future videos and vlogs, or if you just want to leave a comment down below saying, hey B, what's going on, Bronze? I would greatly appreciate that. Don't forget to join this compact by hitting that subscribe button, as well as that bell button right beside it so that you get notified every single time that I decide to upload. You can keep up with me on all of my social media platforms, as well as keeping up with my endeavors at Bronzemarley. I love you guys so much, and I'm definitely about to call it a night. Good night, guys. Yesterday was nothing short of amazing. I woke up in luxury. Yo, look how laid my hair is though. Like what? This is literally coming from my scalp. Yeah.